Are you considering tasting any of these beverages? Tell us in the comments section below. Greetings, viewers! Are you trying to reduce your weight? What if we told you that the secret to quickly reducing weight is your breakfast? More precisely, your breakfast beverage can significantly affect your weight. We'll discuss the top breakfast beverages for weight loss in today's video. Green tea is a no-brainer. However, what about coffee? Is it possible to consume it right away in the morning? How about orange juice that is 100% pure? Can you consume protein shakes? We'll discuss each of them and more. 1. Green tea. Green tea. The numerous advantages of green tea are well known to anyone attempting to reduce their weight. It contains EGCG, a substance that aids in burning body fat. Additionally, EGCG helps increase your metabolism and prevent the formation of new fat cells. EGCG also has the benefit of producing an enzyme essential for the breakdown of a specific hormone. Your number of enzymes rises in tandem with your EGCG levels. Green tea contains caffeine as well. It helps burn the body's stored fat in addition to stimulating your intellect. Actually, the caffeine in green tea may even help you perform better throughout your workouts. According to research, males who took green tea extract during their workouts burnt 17% more fat than those who did not take the supplement. This demonstrates unequivocally how green tea can improve your performance while exercise. Additionally, it's not only during physical activity. Green tea's catechins have been demonstrated to boost caloric expenditure even when you're at rest. Green tea also has the benefit of reducing your caloric intake. Green tea can make you feel less hungry. This way, you just eat what you need at regular mealtimes and avoid snacking too much throughout the day. Are you a fan of green tea? How do you prefer to consume it? Do you use it alone, or do you mix it with honey and lemon? In the comments section below, let the bestie community know what you prefer. 2. Coffee. Caffeine enhances your performance during workouts and can aid in burning body fat. Therefore, if you want to shed some extra fat, coffee is an excellent beverage to have with breakfast. Naturally, that doesn't imply you drink a lot of coffee every day. Additionally, you should watch what you put in that coffee. If you enjoy drinking coffee with a lot of sugar and cream, you won't get very far. Black is the ideal way to sip this beverage. In this manner, you would be cutting back on the number of calories you really eat. Additional body fat reduction. Searching for information about the newest developments in wellness and health. Click the subscribe button to become one of our followers. Keep up with all of our fantastic bestie stuff. 3. Water infused with water. Water is the only beverage that can match it in terms of having no calories. If you want to stay hydrated, you must regularly drink water. It's also necessary if you want your body to operate normally. Naturally, the majority of us do not consume enough water. Due to our hectic lives, we frequently forget. Its lack of taste could be one of the causes. We typically don't naturally crave water the way we do our favorite soft drinks, unless you're attempting to slake your thirst. This explains why so many people add fruits and herbs to their water. It improves the taste of their water and makes it more palatable. A popular beverage among those attempting to reduce weight is lemon water. It not only speeds up your metabolism, but also prolongs feelings of fullness. You only receive 6 calories when you squeeze half a lemon into your water. To stay hydrated, it's recommended to pick lemon water over soda or other high-calorie beverages. In general, water can increase your rate of metabolism. Drinking merely 0.3 ounces of water for every 2 pounds of body weight increased metabolism by 25% in one trial of overweight children. In a different study, 48 adults were given 2 distinct diets to see how drinking water affected their ability to lose weight. A low-calorie diet was provided to one group, and they were instructed to drink water prior to eating. The identical food was provided to the other group, but they skipped the water before eating. When compared to the group that did not hydrate themselves, the group that drank water before meals had lost 44% more weight after 12 weeks. Additionally, studies indicate that drinking more water throughout the day is sufficient for your body to experience weight loss effects. You don't even have to exercise or adhere to a certain diet. Here is another video that you might find interesting before we continue. Watch and discover more about the 11 deadly meals individuals consume. Let's get back to our conversation on breakfast drinks that can help you lose weight. 4. Orange juice that is 100% pure. Orange juice that is 100% pure. Because you aren't ingesting any additional sugar. When you drink 100% pure orange juice, your caloric intake is reduced. Additionally, orange juice contains a number of vital vitamins. Research indicates that those who regularly consume orange juice typically have a significantly lower body mass index in comparison to those who do not consume juice. Additionally, orange juice might strengthen your immune system and lower your cholesterol. Orange juice first thing in the morning isn't for everyone, but if you feel like it's for you, try it. 5 shakes of protein shakes. People who wish to gain muscle typically make protein smoothies. However, this specific beverage may also be beneficial for those attempting to reduce their body weight. Consuming protein can help you feel fuller, longer, and less hungry. A variety of foods and shakes were provided to participants in one trial, and the groups were split into low-protein and high-protein diets. The outcomes following 6 weeks revealed that while the high-protein diet group shed 3 pounds more fat than the other group, they gained slightly over 2 pounds of muscle. Furthermore, protein drinks might enhance your body's thermic action. Your metabolism is raised by this consequence. Your body must expend extra energy to aid in the digestion of the protein you eat. Because of this, while your body breaks down the protein shake, you would be burning a lot more calories. A high-protein diet is unquestionably beneficial for reducing weight and abdominal fat, according to studies. Adults with a low glycemic index and high-protein diet were able to sustain their weight loss, according to a comprehensive study. Ultimately, their outcomes were far superior to those who did not follow the regimen. Protein can ensure that you don't gain back the weight you've worked so hard to lose because it has positive effects on your metabolism, appetite, and muscles. Participants in one trial who received 30 grams of protein after losing weight gained significantly less weight than those who did not receive the protein. In essence, protein can make you feel less hungry, so you don't eat more snacks than you should. Reduced snacking leads to more weight loss. 6. Cumin or cumin tea. Trying to reduce your weight in every aspect, cumin tea will be beneficial. There is significant debate among experts regarding the recommended daily intake of cumin seeds. In any case, there is no doubt that drinking cumin tea will aid in your weight loss efforts. Are you attempting to lose a few pounds? Your solution could be a little cup of cumin tea in the morning. Are you unsure of how to prepare the ideal cup of cumin tea? It's easy. To a cup of boiling water, add cumin seeds. Place a lid on it and allow the seeds to steep for a few minutes. After turning off the heat and straining, serve. For added taste, you may also mix in some honey, lemon juice, and cinnamon powder. You can now enjoy your steaming hot cup of cumin tea. Drinks for weight loss are an excellent place to start your journey to fitness. What else can you do, though? When attempting to reduce weight, are there certain foods you should stay away from? Is there a magic diet that will help you safely and quickly reduce weight? This is what you should know. View the list of 50 foods you should avoid if you want to reduce your weight. Our video on the miracle diet that will help you lose 17 pounds in 7 days is another option. Click one now. Better yet, watch both and find out more about fitness. Are you attempting to reduce your weight?